You see the first glimpse of the Leh Palace. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Tomorrow, Kargil.
Yeah. Let's start from tomorrow.
Good night. Today is 2nd of August. My flight from Pune to Delhi is around 12:05. I'll reach Delhi at around I guess 2:30ish, and I'll meet Deepak in T2 only, Delhi Terminal 2. And from there, from T2, our flight to Leh is around 6:30 in the morning. Right now, I reached at Indira Gandhi International Airport in T2. I met Deepak right now. We did the domestic transfer because from T2 itself we have our flight to Leh at 6:30 in the morning. Here we are boarding the flight to Leh finally.
Hello, flight to Leh. फाइनली ले पहुंचेंगे और फिर वहाँ पे देखेंगे क्या करना है यार, देख लेंगे जो होगा,
देख लेंगे जो होगा.
नमस्कार, हम आपकी आशाओं को उड़ान देकर राष्ट्र से जोड़ने के लिए समर्पित.
Finally we have reached Leh. और दीपक
somehow किसी तरह पहुंच गए. समझ में आ रहा है हाइट पे आए हैं. आज एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, बॉडी ठीक लगा तो शाम को थोड़ा सा मार्केट, कल भी मार्केट, एंड बाइक वगैरह रेंटल कल बात करेंगे जाके. फिर डे 3 से निकलेंगे टुवर्ड्स जांस्कर 2024.
You see over there, Hotel Malik Residency. There are different blocks, I can understand. This is the B block. Most probably that is the A block, and this is some block.
मेरा बोसू,
Hi.
हेलो भाई.
The good thing about today is, you see the weather. If I get this weather throughout my stay in Ladakh, it will be so peaceful. I cannot make you understand, because I'm planning to go to Hanle also, and with this type of weather I'll be able to stargaze and all those kind of things. My day to acclimatize over Leh, and from 600 meter in Delhi you go to 11,400 feet, so you can understand that it takes a toll on your body. So we are doing everything very slowly, and let's just enjoy today. We had our breakfast and now we are heading towards the Leh market. Right now it's around 4:15, 4:30 in the evening, and let me just show you the room which I'm staying at. Room number 205. Hi Deepak. The good thing about the room is I'll show you. See the outside view, it's peaceful. With that, let me go to the Leh market and show you what I'm doing in my first day.
पहुंच गए, तो चलो ले घूम के आते हैं.
मार्केट जाते हैं. सबसे
खाना पीना
पहले
करते हैं थोड़ा.
इधर ब्रेकफास्ट किए हैं, लेकिन ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद सो गए.
हाँ,
सोने के
एक्सरसाइज होना
बाद
पड़ता है.
पेट में सब खाना पच गया. आज कुछ करना नहीं है,
आज बस एक्सप्लोर ले करेंगे, धीरे धीरे आपको दिखाया जाएगा बाहर क्या क्या हो रहा है. चलो.
Come on, let's go. Let's head toward the market. This is the road which will take us towards Leh market. From Leh market we'll have some food. I'm really hungry.
तो दिस इज़ द मेन सिटी सेंटर ऑफ ले. ये हम लोग आए हैं अभी, बहुत स्ट्रगल्स के बाद आए हैं हम लोग, तो खुशी तो बनता ही है. कल इस टाइम तक हमें पता नहीं था कि ले पहुंचेंगे कि नहीं.
You see over there, that is the entrance towards the Leh market. In Darjeeling we have the Mall Road, in Sikkim we have the NG Road. So that time, the only thing is it's 11,500 feet above. So I am trying to find a place where
I can have really good food.
So here we are in a restaurant waiting to order some food. हाँ तुक्का
मटन तुक्का होगा?
एक chicken एक mutton. We ordered thupka, we'll have food, then we'll go towards our bike rental to just have a word with him and just have chill out in this place.
There is Deepak.
Let's relish this. बहुत कम ऐसा खुशी मिलता है पता है नेक्स्ट 14 दिन लैपटॉप का कोई सीन नहीं है काम का कोई सीन
दुनिया जले.
ये this is Myrule bike rental service. From here we will be renting our bike and having a good time chilling with them.
आ गए मयूर. मैं बाइक से गिर भी गया एक बार शुरू होने से पहले.
This guy I'll tell you कहीं भी गिरा सकता था. जहाँ से बाइक ले रहे हैं उधर ही गिराना है उसको. ठीक है.
अभी ये लोग का हम लोग जो रेंटल लेंगे इसका चक्का फिक्स कर रहे हैं.
8 in the evening and entire day we were just in Leh Market. We were exploring the entire place and that's it. Just having a chill time. Trying to acclimatize. The weather is very peaceful. It's like above 12-13 degree. It's 12-13 degree in double digits. So we thought let's go to the market. Let's have a brisk walk, explore the area. Like this is the heart of Leh, the market area. Let's start. Chalo Deepak, moving. In the morning, today is by the way Sunday, it's 4th of August and the entire day, yesterday we acclimatized and today what we are trying to do is we are trying to set our GoPro, everything, every little aspects of everything. We are going to Shanti Stupa from my hotel, which is Hotel Manik Residency. Hotel Shanti Stupa is approximately, you can say, around 4 kilometers. I'm not going to switch off my GoPro even, man. I'm just trying and I hope the angle which I am seeing, so there are a lot of angles through which you can shoot, okay, but this is a new helmet for me. It's an Axor helmet which I bought recently. It's only been 1 or 2 weeks I've bought and I want to see that the angle in which I'm looking, it's not only looking down but rather it's looking like forward, right? पेट्रोल भरा लिए पूरा. In brief, our ride starts from tomorrow, right? So we have taken rent from 5 till 17th. Technically those are 14 days. Throughout this 14 days we have bifurcated the trip among around like in 2 stages. The first stage we will be going towards Zanskar Valley. From Kargil we'll go to Padum, Rangdum, Padum, Purne, Phuktal Monastery, then towards Lingshed. From there we will take Shishilda Pass, Chingela Pass towards Lamayuru, and when we reach Lamayuru the first part of our trek actually comes to an end. After that we will be headed towards Hanle. So that will be the second part of our trip. It's 14 days, 2 weeks. We've acclimatized ourselves. Last night also in the flight, I was able to sleep only for 1 hour. Deepak, my brother, he was not able to sleep entirely. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Today we'll be able to sleep because tomorrow early morning we'll be headed towards Kargil. I don't know whether I'll be able to talk much throughout my 14 days of journey in Ladakh because the views which I'll be seeing, see, I have gone to the mountains of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, I've gone to the mountains of Jammu, division of Jammu and Kashmir. This is something else, like these are like what we call bald mountains. This is something like, wow. Hello. Hello from Shanti Stupa. Shanti Stupa, I'll show you right a bit. Just a glimpse of it over here. You see over there, from there you take 2 tickets. Per ticket it's 30 rupees. And over there's the gate. You cannot bring your vehicles inside from that gate. So over there you have a parking slot. See this view here. See this view. These bald mountains are different breed of mountains. I will say this line which I just said right now. Every time this bald mountain, it's just a different breed of mountain. That over there you see, that is the Shanti Stupa. We are just moving in this place in clockwise direction, and you see in front of me. अभी हम लोग शांति स्तूपा पे हैं.
अभी यहाँ से फिर प्लान है ले पैलेस. यहाँ से आपको दिख रहा है ले पैलेस. तो यहाँ से अराउंड फिर 3 किलोमीटर है.
वो भी आज बेसिकली कल हम लोग ले पे आए थे. डे 1 हम एक्लिमेटाइजिंग. ले गवर्नमेंट का है कि 2 दिन हम लोग को ले में एक्लिमेटाइज. तो ले में ही शांति स्तूपा हो गया, फिर ले ये जो पैलेस हो गया, सब ले में आता है. तो टुडे हम लोग बाइक रेंट किए. बाइक रेंट करने के बाद हम लोग ये आसपास सब देख ले रहे हैं, जिससे गोप्रो वगैरह बाइक में कुछ झमेला हो,
टेस्टिंग बेस,
टेस्टिंग वगैरह करके सब कुछ मेंटली एकदम रेडी हो जाए. और कल हम लोग निकल पाए. कहाँ पे?
कल पहला पॉइंट है कारगिल. ये पैलेस उस तरफ दिखता है, तो कोशिश करते हैं, चलते हैं. 4 बजे बंद हो जाता है.
After Shanti Stupa, it's time to go to Leh Palace. Leh Palace, which is around 3 kilometers, and after Leh Palace we will do something. What I'll do I don't know, but we will do something. Life is good now. It's a peaceful life. You see the first glimpse of the Leh Palace. So we kept our bike, as the Leh Palace is very nearby. It's under a kilometer from my hotel. So we kept our bikes in our hotel, and we decided to come over here by walking. Here is my friend Deepak. Happy Friendship Day, buddy.
Hello, happy Friendship Day at 11,500 feet.
Yes. So everything sorted. You see the view over here. और अंदर जाके अभी चलो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं अभी। हाय दीपक।
ये भी देख ही लिए।
हाँ
अभी
जी।
तक तो किस्मत साथ दे रहा है।
यस यस यस, गूगल मैप बोलता है 4 बजे ख़त्म होगा, लेकिन एक्चुअली
7:30
7:30
है
बजे तक चल
क्योंकि
रहा है।
समर टाइम है तो शायद जल्दी ख़त्म हो रहा है, मतलब जल्दी बंद नहीं हो रहा है। चलो
एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। It's 9:40 and yesterday we reached Leh. So we need to acclimatize in Leh for 2 days. Yesterday we reached, we explored entire market city of Leh, the Leh market. Today we rented our bikes, 2 bikes, 2 Himalayans. So just to have a practice ground, we went to Shanti Stupa, we went to Leh Palace, then we came back very tired. The only thing which is going on my mind is to charge on my GoPro batteries, sort everything out, and just peacefully close my eyes, shut my eyes, and sleep. That's it for the day, and let's hope with very good spirit that tomorrow will be our first official bike riding day, and we'll start the day with high spirits. Deepak,
hello
buddy.
he has given you the updates. It's the same from my side, but yeah, let's
We-
start it from tomorrow.
Peaceful day tomorrow.
Peaceful day.
Kargil.
Yeah, let's start from tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.